front cover of the thing and see how. That's where the
You take a video so I don't forget or what?
memory, the RAM base, or the RAM plant.
RAM dock.
RAM dock.
Yeah. Because the dock is selling place now. One more.
Another nut there.
Another screw there. Just have to be careful to take out what you already need to.
Yes.
Take out. I need to take this one out as well.
You sure?
Yeah, it's been clipped down. They use it to hold that one down, so take it off.
Okay. This is the whole of it. So now, this is the memory dock. The RAM dock. Take from here.
My Samsung.
And a Samsung. This is the memory here. Put this
What's
memory.
in here?
That one is M2 this is terabyte. That one I will install that one as well.
Okay. Consider.
That one is 8 gig RAM. Where is the space for the other one?
There are two now.
There are two.
And I don't have my glasses here.
You not see?
I need to read that.
So now 4 gig they put here. I have to get this one right. You know, it's just like
Sorry if I slam your door.
does it mean these people they install 4 gig instead of one 8 gig RAM?
I don't know. That's why I went to fetch my glass to read what's on there. So this is the one we brought here. So we have 4 gig RAM PC. Did they tell you it was 8?
I thought it was 8. I mean it was only this is 8 in 1. So it was 4 gig. Ha! This is not what I want now. Because if you remove 1 gig, if you install that only 8 gig now, you know, the space has finished. And
what do you mean space has finished?
I wanted to install 16 gig or I wanted it to have a 16 gig. 16 gig altogether.
So that means you only have got 12 now.
Yeah, if I had known that it was 4 gig, I would have ordered another one.
Sure, you want to order another one?
Yeah, put that one first because I don't need. You know, this is the problem of opening it again to install another 8
that
gig.
we don't have to close it. We just put this on, check if it work. If it work, then you know you can still upgrade it.
It's not like that. See, like this. It's like this. That's it.
You don't get that.
That's how I did the other desktop. Bam. No, like this. Yes, press and down.
Just get it right.
Yes, that's it.
So what you have there now is
I have only 4 gig now. Remember that 4
You
gig
have
now.
12.
12, yes. It's not enough. I want 16 gig altogether. Then put this one for me.
Where is that one going?
That one is going somewhere here.
Yes.
Somewhere here.
Have you watched the video on that one?
Yes. I think it's there.
This one look bigger.
No, here.
Yes, no.
It will also be here.
Where? No. Don't mix it up. That's where it's going. Western Digital. That's it there. So this one is the one that will sit on here.
Oh, wait.
Yes.
I think it's here.
You need a special screwdriver for this one. You don't have any tools and you want to the open computer.
I don't know if I should.
If I have screwdriver for this, you need a special screwdriver. All this one where you get no go for open it. Where is that flat?
Let me come wait.